Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create high-quality AI images using Hyper-SDXL. Okay, let's do it. Now, I'm trying to change the default dimension to 1K resolution and changing my prompt. As you can see, I got an error because the dimensions are not compatible. So, I changed my dimensions. Later, wrote my prompt, and as you can see, that's what the vertical and horizontal images generated. Later, I'm trying to create a cyberpunk-style city with robots. I'm changing my prompt, adding New York City. As you can see, you will notice the changes. I changed my prompt to a photo of a Ford Model T production assembly line. Images are turning out reasonably well from such a simple text. This time, I tried to create an image with two different cars, but as you can see, it's not turning out correctly. And here, I was trying to give a prompt weight, but as you see, it's not working properly. And I changed my prompt to horizontal realistic picture. As you can see, the prompt is reading properly for a single image. And it also understands the color of the car. How amazing and easy are these tools, right? Let's create a realistic image of a monkey in the jungle and change its eye color. We can also change the style of the image. Here is an anime-style monkey. This time, I tried to bring in an emblem and add text. As you can see, it is not reading correctly. Now, let's generate a futuristic car with wide-body images. I tried to change the dimension of the image. It's not capable of 540 by 960. The best dimensions are 512 by 768. You can always change the seed number. This will generate variations of the images.